Hey everybody, back again. Just doing a quick keyboard deal here. Now, when I purchased the Ace Magician gaming desktop, the mini PC, I ordered a keyboard. You guys saw this one right here, the Redragon S101 gaming keyboard. That's what I bought. I got the keyboard. I got the mouse. I mean, mouse is okay. I absolutely hate the fact that I have to always reset the speed on it. I mean, anytime you turn the computer, off and stuff, and then turn it back on, like the next day, you have to reset the speed as of it going, side to side, up, down. It's ridiculous. I mean, yeah, I have to press a button twice, but still, the fact that I have to do that every single time I turn it on is upsetting. I mean, yeah, $33 on sale from 52, but it was ridiculous. Not to mention the keyboard. Every time you turn on the computer, it's the full RGB, wave. You've got to push a bunch of buttons to get it set to a specific way or whatever you had it at the night before or the day before. It's ridiculous. It's junk. So, I was like, okay, put that one aside, save it for like my mom's computer, I'll send it off to her. I'll give it to my sister or something. And then I was like, I might give it to the neighbor if he's got a computer and he needs a new keyboard. I'll give it to him. So I was like, okay, now what am I going to do with a keyboard? And I was like, okay, I'll see what else is there. Then I literally came to this page and I ordered this one for this much. Actually, I paid a little bit more because at the time I purchased it, it was 22% savings or something like that. So I, should have waited. But again, I get it. I was like, okay, it is a combo, so it has a thing at the top so that I can put like my phone there, and I can use the keyboard on my phone. No, the lights and everything suck. It sucks. You can't actually read the keys because the lights are so damn bright. Even on the dimmest setting, it was so damn bright. I was like, okay, return to that one. It took like 2 weeks for it to even get back to Amazon. So I was out a little bit of money, and I chose gift certificates, so I got the money back right away. Which one was? I can't remember which one of the other ones that I got. But I was like, okay, I think it was the wireless one. I think it was that one. Yeah, because I paid full price for this one because it wasn't on sale. I mean, like, go figure. You buy something, and then like the next week or whatever, it's on sale. But I bought the first two, and I was like, okay, they sucked. This one advertises, color control and all the stuff, and I was like, okay, wireless. I can do wireless, then I don't have cords everywhere. Granted, I'll have to put batteries in it, but batteries are okay, I guess. That's fine, right? Batteries are okay. Yeah. It sucked. The keys on this one here are so unresponsive. Even the keys on this one, oh my god, they are horrible. These two, you're talking full-size keys, normal keyboard like the old days, I mean, like this one, full-size keys, but you're talking a third of an inch of travel just to get it to recognize the key is being pressed. That is ridiculous. ridiculous. This keyboard, you have to they're chiclets. They're like laptop keyboard. It's like a laptop keyboard. Junk. You have to press hard on that one. You have to press hard on it. It is ridiculous. So returned that one as well. So I returned these two. I kept this one. There's another one that I was looking at. It was on here. Was it further down? No, it was up here, wasn't it? It was up here. No. Where are you? There it is. This one. No, you guys can't see. This one. This one right here. Amazon choice. Bought this one. I was like, I can do without the the number keys. That's fine. I'm okay with that. Tried it. Did not like it. Unresponsive keys. I mean, you really have to mean it. I don't get what they're doing. I don't understand these keyboards, the full, mega size keyboards with the massive buttons. They are like the old Mac, Apple computers, the Macintosh computers of when I was in, elementary school playing, Ozark Trails and shit like that, or Oregon Trail. And they were junk back then. They're junk now. So the other day, I went to Walmart. I was like, you know what? I want to see what kind of keyboards they have. Almost every single goddamn keyboard that they have is all light up. They all light up. I don't like having blasting light coming up under my glasses, because then you have see like this one right here. See that reflection. Light hits underneath the lens here, and then goes up the lens, so you have this halo of light around your eyes. Big thing for headaches and migraines. So all this light coming up at you as you're trying to look forward, it really messes with your eyes, and it's really bad for your eyes too. And the glowing keyboards, horrible. And especially if you're like me, where you got to hunt and back, because I don't know if you could hear that, but I have horrible, typing skills. I'm bad at it. I mean, I can type, but I have to watch what I'm doing because I've got the meaty hands and they don't always do as I want them to. I mean, it happens when you've broken as many bones in your hand as I have. But I went and I found a couple that I really liked. This one here, I mean, it's literally $15. Mini compact wireless office keyboard, USB receiver, 78 keys. Now, I liked that one, and then I was like, okay, they've got this other one, and it works with other devices like phones and shit. I was like, okay, that's cool. That's really, really cool. I like that. I could do with that. And I was like, okay, these white keys, I mean, you really see what you're looking at. So, I'm like, that's really good. I like that. But I don't know, because, so I just, winged it, and I purchased this model. $12. I've literally got it right in front of me. And this keyboard is absolutely gem. Dude, it is responsive. The keys are just crisp. You touch a key and it goes. You type something and it doesn't miss a beat. I just lightly tap. I mean, you're talking like a 1/16 of an inch in response. It's like typing on a laptop with the touch screen. It's pretty much a touch screen. I mean, you barely tap a key and it goes. I mean, granted, I'm not the best typist, but it works great for gaming because I don't have to, reach as much. Like, with a normal keyboard, if you're holding down on a button and you have to take your finger off, a third of an inch and then move it and then go down a third of an inch again, I mean, you're using up a lot of space. But if you're going from a 6, like, you're traveling this far. Where am I? You're traveling this far. Up and down. That's it. That is ridiculous. I mean, I'm literally pressing keys. And that is insane. It's insane. That's all I can say. But I'm gonna work with this one for all as long as I can. I mean, I've got lights in front of me. I've got lights above me, but I can still read the keys because it is white on black instead of a black see-through key letter and a key on top, and then a backlight that either is on or off. And when it's on, it washes out everything. So you have lights coming from around the keys and lights coming through the keys, so you can't actually see what the hell it is. It's ridiculous. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to also pick up one of these guys, and I'm gonna swap them out and see which one I like better, because this one here has extra buttons on here. I mean, you've got print screen, all this other stuff. There's a lot of interesting keys on here, and it's better viewing, and yeah. I mean, the white keys with black lettering, something easy to see. It's brighter. This one, I don't know if this one has the functions or anything. I don't think it does. Might not have the function. Yeah, this one doesn't have the functions. So this one may not be to my likings. I think maybe the other one had it. Let's see. Nope, that one doesn't have the functions either. I like the white keys on the with the black, large print, but I mean, even some of these bigger ones, I cannot stand chunky keys. I can't stand them, and that's like, here. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at these chunky keys. That's what I'm talking about. You have these monster, like, Lego Build-A-Block keys with massive travel, compared to something like this, where it's literally just tap, oh, done, tap, oh, done. So, I understand there's a lot of people out there that love the chunky, massive keys, but for those of you like me who like the lower, more reasonable keys, $12. $12 at Walmart works well. I mean, it works really well. Hell, $12, you can't complain, really. And even if you don't like it, it's $12. Keep it as a backup. I bought the $30 one, and that one turned out to be my backup. Jeez. But again, that's to each their own, I guess. Have fun.